Hey, third grade, it's Stripe here. I'm here to talk to you about how to multiply three numbers. You guys have been really, really awesome about multiplying numbers, and it's time to learn how to multiply three numbers. And it's actually super duper easy. Okay, so let's take 3 times 2 times 1, for example. It's three numbers. So the first thing you do is you multiply 3 times 2. Well, 3 times 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. And then 6 times that 1, or 6 times 1, we can bring it down here, equals 6. So 3 times 1, or 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. So easy, right? Okay, let's do another one. Let's do 4 times 2 times 2. Alrighty. All right, so 4 times 2, super easy, 8. And then 8 times 2, bring that 2 down, is 2. And 8 times 2, also super easy, is 16. So 4 times 2 times 2 is 16. Told you it was easy. All right, now here comes the important part. All right, thanks to the associative property of multiplication, when multiplying the grouping of factors, and the factors are the numbers that we multiply together, does not change the product. So here we have 3 times 2 times 5. So we can use something called parentheses. Whoops. That's not a parentheses. Hang on. Time out just a second. Let me erase that. Okay. We can use parentheses to group these up. Okay, so the first I'm going to do it, I'm going to do 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then times the 5, and also 6 times 5, super easy, is 30. Thanks to the associative property, I can group these any way I want, and it's always going to be 30. So this time, I'm going to do, I'm going to take 3 times 2 times 5 again. And instead of doing the 3 times 2 first, I'm going to do 2 times 5 first, because these are called parentheses. Let me see if I can change the color on these things. Color. No. Well, I guess it's not going to let me change the color. Oh, there's the color. I'm going to make these red. So the parentheses are red. These are called parentheses. Parentheses. That's an N. Parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 times 5 first this time, and 2 times 5 is 10. And then I'm going to do 10 times 3, which is, boom, 30. I can group them in even another different way. Let me get a different color here. Let's use blue. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 times 2. Let's do 3 times 5 times 2. Okay, so I'm going to do 3 times 5 first this time. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then 15 times that 2. 15 times 2, that's 2 15s, and 15 plus 15 is 30. So thanks to the associative property, and it's right here, I'm going to show it to you again, the associative property of multiplication. When multiplying the grouping of factors, it does not change the product, and the product is the answer. No matter what, you're going to get 30, 30, 30. So 3 times 2 times 5 is 30. 2 times 5 first is 10, times 3 is 30. 3 times 2 is 6, times 5 is 30. You're always going to get the same answer. And that's how easy it is to multiply three numbers. Come back tomorrow for another lesson. Bye-bye.